Good morning, everybody. This is Geometry, and it's Tuesday, and Jesus has risen. It's a beautiful, sunshiny day. I hope you get outside for a little bit once you get this done. So today we're going to look at pyramids and cones. Still doing surface area. Pyramid is basically a prism that's just been cut down, and so they're going to ask you to do lateral area and surface area. Well, lateral area is the sides again, and the sides are triangles. So there's 4 triangles there. So basically what you need to do is, because there's 4 triangles, because the bottom is, it may not look like it in the picture they draw, but the bottom of this one's a square. It's 10 by 10 by 10 by 10. And so the base of every triangle is 10. And this red line is called the slant height. So that would be the height of each triangle. So a triangle's formula is base times height. So that would be 10 times 12, all divided by 2 because it's a triangle. So you want to go ahead and do that math. I usually take, and 4 and 2 divides out to 2, and 2 times 10 times 12 would give us 240 centimeters squared. Okay, so that's the lateral area. The surface area is when you take your lateral area and you add what you get for the rest of it, and then the rest of this is just the square on the bottom. And so the square is 10 times 10, which equals 100. And so what you want to do, centimeters squared, you want to take the 100 and the 240 and add those two together to get the surface area. So the surface area would equal 240 plus 100, which equals 340 centimeters squared. And then you're done with that one. So that's the way you do a pyramid. When you have a cone, I need to write out a little bit ahead of time, and that's because a cone, if you took the cone, which is the triangular part up here, and you open it up, it will look like this. And so this isn't exact, but it's pretty close. You count this curved line here as the base of the triangle, and you count this height here and the side slight height, that's your 12, because it is on the outside there. And so I should put a little h in here. And so the formula becomes, your base is actually what went around the circle here. And so instead of a b here, we're going to write pi times d. That's the base of it. Wraps all the way around, and times the height, and then divide by 2 because it's a triangle. And so I went ahead and did the work here. Pi times d times h divided by 2. Plug the numbers in. The 10 comes because the diameter is 10, because they gave me the radius was 5. 12 is the height divided by 2. I got that. Now when you do the surface area, you have to add the bottom, which in this case is the circle. So the circle is pi r squared, which equals 3.14 times 25. That's 5 squared, which gives us 78.5. But to get the whole surface area, we have to add what's above here. So 78.5 plus 188.4 gives you 266.9 inches squared. And some of you have noticed when you're doing surface area in your homework, you didn't add those together. And I made a note in Google Classroom for you. Okay, so that's your deal today, and your assignment today is on page 693. I want you to do 3, 5, 6, 10, and 11. And I want you to show your work for that. Don't just put answers down. Show me some work. Doesn't have to be a ton, but show me some work. All right? Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.